This is Vincent Woon from StressOutStressFree.com. We're going to show you how to do a simple chiropractic adjustment. Pain from stress, spending too much time on the computer, standing too long, not sitting right, hurt the back in an accident. Yes, chiropractic is very expensive, but I'm going to show you self-taught chiropractic adjustment. Let's see. Come on, I found something. Let's go. Now we found a monkey bar here. So I'm going to grab one bar like this, hold it, and let your weight down and hang. And stretch, lift your knees up and down. So what it does is when you lift your knees up, your body weight readjusts from your body weight from the hip, readjusts your whole spinal cord. There's some kids running around. Or you can do it at the traffic light, like such. When I walk up here, climb up here and reach up like this and hang. What I want to do next is lift my knees up like this, and that's it. Please comment and feel free to visit my blog at www.StressOutStressFree.com to sign in your name, your email, and we update you with more information. Thank you.